Today I am gonna tell you some 5 interesting facts about human body which you have never come across of it. To know all these things, let's get into the video. Welcome to Focomate. Number 1. Human discharge the entire outer layer of the skin every 2 to 4 weeks at the rate of 0.001 to 0.003 ounce of the skin flakes every hour. Number 2. Ear and nose are 2 organs in the human body that never stop growing. Every single year they used to grow at the rate of 0.0087 inches. Number 3. Tongue is the strongest muscle in our whole human entire body. Number 4. Your nose has a long memory. Yes, nose is powerful enough to remember 50,000 of different smells. Number 5. Stomach acids are so strong that they can dissolve razor blade. Yes, in human stomach, hydrochloric acid is present and the pH is range of 1 to 3. So it can dissolve steel razor blade. But it is advisable to you people to not try this at home. To know such more interesting fact, stay tuned with us. Until then, let's learn with focus. Bye-bye.